Throw them out there.
Big goose, baby. Give me some more to throw out the window right here.
Bubba just threw his out.
Give me some more to throw out the window right here. Come on, come on.
Open up her blanket so she can see them.
Look, sissy. Look at all the geese. Look, look. Look, look, look.
Oh God.
God, I left the camera on that whole time. Whoa!
Look at all the ducks that came. Oh no, the birds are coming back. They're all gone, guys. This goose is gonna come get us.
Wait a second, Bubba. I'm filming for you guys. See when you watch it later.
Gotta wait till we get home.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, gooses.
Bye, guys. See you later.
We're surrounded by birds.
Maybe they
Birds.
like fruit snack. Nope, they don't like fruit snacks. Okay.
We're done, guys.
Bye, birds.
I'm gonna honk the horn and watch it fly away, huh?
Okay. Nope. Just gotta drive and hope you don't hit any. Bye, guys.
No, I hope I don't hit any. What do you mean?
You just gotta start.
I gotta go outside and scare them.
Yeah, they'll come after you.
They
Been
won't.
here.